In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a Base44 app to Replit. We'll go through the full process from downloading your project in Base44 to uploading it into Replit, so you can move your app files over cleanly and continue working on them there. First, head to Base44 and make sure you're signed in to the correct workspace. Once you're on the platform, look over to the left-hand side of the screen and click on All Apps. This will open the list of apps available in your workspace, making it easier to find the specific project you want to export. From there, select the application you want to move and open it. Take a moment to confirm you're in the right app before exporting, especially if you have multiple projects with similar names. That helps avoid downloading the wrong file and repeating the process. Once the app is open, look for the three-dot menu. This is where Base44 keeps additional project actions. Click the three dots to open that menu, then choose Export Project as Zip. Base44 will package your project files into a zip archive, which is a compressed folder that makes it easy to download and transfer the entire project at once. Save that zip file somewhere easy to find, like your desktop or downloads folder, because you'll need it in just a moment. Next, go to Replit. After Replit loads, find the prompt box area on the main screen. In that area, click the three-dot menu to reveal more options. One of those options will be Upload a File. Click that to begin bringing your exported project into Replit. After that, choose the Zip Upload feature. Then drag your zip file into the importer. Replit will automatically extract the contents of the zip and recreate your project structure for you. This is helpful because it saves time and preserves the folders and files from your Base44 export, instead of forcing you to upload everything one piece at a time. Once the upload finishes, give Replit a moment to process the files. It's a good idea to quickly review the imported structure to make sure everything came through properly. If your project is large, the extraction may take a little longer, so be patient and let the import complete before making changes. And that's it. You've exported your Base44 app as a zip file and uploaded it into Replit using the built-in zip importer. This is a simple workflow for transferring a project between platforms while keeping your file structure intact.